Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join or create a friends game in Among Us on mobile. So let's get started. First, open Among Us on your mobile phone. The game may take a few seconds to load. Once the game opens, sign into your account. After signing in, you may see a pop-up. Simply tap on Not Right Now. Now, from the main menu, tap on the Play button. After that, tap on Online. Now, if you want to play with your friends, tap on Create Game. Here, you can change the game settings like map, number of imposters, chat settings, and player limit. Once you finish the settings, tap on Create Game. Now tap on Confirm. After that, your game lobby will start, and you will see a game code on the screen. Now, simply send this code to your friends. They can enter the code in the Enter Code section to join your game. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.